Turning. Atta girl. I'll mash my fingers off. You know, say hi.
Today we're going to be looking back at some of the places off-roading has taken us, and we thought the best way to do that would be with some of our favorite drone shots.
The thing about wheeling out here in South Dakota, just about every trail that we've kind of started coming up, at some point or another they get more and more narrow, and I can only assume it's probably for snowmobiles. Alright, so we made it to SMORR, and we're just getting ready to get up to our first trail here. Bull Run, level 4. Stay tuned. Alright, so we made it here to Rush Springs Ranch down in Pineville, Missouri, right on the border of Arkansas. And so far it looks like the trails and stuff are labeled really well. Looks really cool. So we've made it down here to these bottoms, and there's a pretty cool low water bridge here, and the creek is really pretty. We're gonna let the kids get out here and play in the creek for a little bit, and then we'll be back on our way. So we've made it down here to the old ghost town Homestead, and it looks like there's a trail that goes through the homestead, so stay tuned here. We may even camp out around here somewhere. Okay guys, so we are out here. The year is 1999. We like to call this Retro Overland. Okay guys, so we're trying to do a little update here since we don't really have any new fresh content, but we figured we'd come on here and say hello to you, make sure you know everything's all right. As you can see, we're in the car, we're coming back from town. We're trying to get everything in order with our motorhome to go on a big trip we have coming up, where we will be towing the Jeep behind the motorhome, and I'm thinking a minimum of a week, maybe 2 weeks. We'll just have to see how it goes. We gotta get away though. So, hope you like these drone shots. This is kind of a compilation of, is that the right word?
Yep, that's the one.
Kind of a compilation of, I guess, Brandy's favorite drone shots. She did all the editing on this. This is kind of her thing. So, she always likes the drone shots, so we wanted to show that to you.
Yeah, and it kind of shows you what episode you might want to watch. So if you saw something that was cool, I'm going to link all the videos that I showed in here so you can check the whole thing out if you want.
Yeah, so guys, stay tuned here. We'll have some new fresh content out for you soon, I promise. We just needed to kind of take a week off from traveling, and we have a ton of stuff to do to get ready for our big trip.
And
so
we have a big iron this weekend, right?
Is it?
I think so.
Well, we'll see you out there. So come check that out and meet us there. We'll be there for the weekend. And I'm not sure how we're going to set camp up yet, but we'll see what happens. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. And until next time, we'll see you out at Big Iron.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Sorry. Messed it up.
Okay.